Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me Nandana. So, in this video, I'm gonna share a mini study vlog. So, do watch it. So, after having my breakfast, I started studying. So, today I decided to sit outside, sit in the balcony and study because it is a rainy day and I don't want to miss it. So, I'm sitting there and studying biology because my exams are coming up and it's on 14th, and hope you guys are also having exams, and do let me know in the comment section when it starts. And yeah, I was enjoying the rain and then studying hard. So after studying for so long, for 3 hours straight, I decided to take a break and I had a small piece of red velvet cake and I was enjoying it. It was too tasty, by the way. And after that, I again started studying, but this time in my room. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.